That time of year again, Christmas time. The Galleria tree is up. Trees all over town are being wrapped in Christmas lights and Christmas decorations. The mall's getting more and more crowded with Christmas shoppers, which is not good for us since we work in the Galleria and we have to fight the extra traffic. Well, all of us except for Sandy. She takes Christmas off every year just so she can avoid the traffic. This time of year is also about family and spending time with family. And there are all kinds of families. Little families, big families, awkward nude families, families who take weird photos, ugly families, little teeny tiny families, and well, I'm not really sure what to say about this family. Another type of family is your work family. These are the people that we work with, the people we see every day, the people we have lunch with, the people we go out and spend time with, and while we may not be family by blood, we're still family. So our story actually begins back at San Felipe Plaza. It's August 2014, and it's the night of the move, and there's nobody in the office except for Eric and Martin. It's about 3 a.m. in the morning, and Eric decides he's going to go scare Martin, who's upstairs closing files on 23. Okay. Me and the Joker. I'm scared Martin. How come I didn't scare you? What the hell are you doing with no clothes on?
Dude, it's fucking hot in here.
Man. Now I'm freaking out. You're running around. Oh, dang.
Dude, I'm sweating like crazy, man.
That was my first sign that things may get a little bumpy. But we did get to the new building. We got moved in. And things were going pretty well as we got started and got situated. But we did have a few issues. Wasn't long after we got there that Shayna got trapped in the elevator and had to be rescued. The move was a stressful time, and even little things like printer problems seemed to irritate people a little bit more than normal.
Eric.
Hey, Catherine.
Hey, could you check out the printer for me? I just printed about 3 times and it just fell apart on me. I don't know what happened.
It just fell apart?
Yeah, it just fell apart.
All right, we'll go check it out. I guess it did fall apart. In addition to the elevator issues, some people had problems negotiating the new stairs and the new wooden floors in our office.
I fail!
Eunice, what happened? Here, take this life alert.
I don't need a life, I need a leg. Help! I've fallen, I can't get up.
Tina, what happened?
Oh, I fell. I can't get up.
Here's my life alert.
Oh, help. I can't get up. Oh, this doesn't work. I think I'm gonna die.
Tracy, are you all right?
No!
Well, here, have my life alert.
Thank you.
Hey, Paul, you always seem to be around whenever people fall.
Well, I consider myself a superhero, but I am going to have to order some more life alerts around here because I lose one each time.
The falling wasn't even limited to the office. Tommy had a mishap at the annual bowling party. The new office is much nicer though, and we have file rooms and supply rooms and everything on every floor. But even that took a little getting used to.
Supply room? What the heck's in a supply room? Supplies!
We even have a defibrillator in case somebody has a heart attack. Although, the first time we tested it, Eric did think the defibrillator was hitting on him.
Hey, Greg said we need to test this defibrillator. Make sure it still works.
Okay, well, get it out. We'll test it. Turn on.
Begin by removing all clothing from the patient's chest. Cut clothing if needed.
Okay.
Man, I'm so hot I even turned machines on.
Hey, I've been getting all kinds of complaints. Everybody's saying that every time someone brings cookies up here, Slovacek is eating them all.
Oh yeah, I've seen lots of Play-Dohs with nothing but crumbs.
I know it's ridiculous. Do you hear music?
I do hear music in the wellness room.
Come on, you sexy defibrillator. Talk dirty to me. Ooh, what y'all doing here?
Fallen behind on your Hoover Slovacek account payments? Have you received statements or bills charging interest? Then you're in danger of having your chair repossessed. Jennifer Langford is repossessing chairs. Choose one of 3 convenient ways to pay your bill: cash, check, or credit card. Don't let this happen to you.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again. Hear those sleigh bells jingle, jangle, oh what a beautiful sight. So jump in bed and cover your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Pound Wendy out, what's up with that?
Oh, actually, it's hashtag Wendy out.
But it's a pound sign.
Well, yeah, but on Twitter they call it a hashtag.
Well, what's Twitter?
Well, you know, it's like a social media website where they use hashtags to call out like keywords and things like that.
Huh. So when Renee takes over, it's going to be pound Renee in?
Yeah, hashtag Renee in.
Oh, well, that's what I mean.
Yeah, exactly.
What's the strangest thing you've seen since you started here?
The strangest thing that I've ever seen, I forget this gentleman's name. He seems like a really fun person, but he just like runs across the halls.
Oh, I was in the bathroom. No running. Okay.
No running outside my hallway. I'm too busy admiring my awards and pull your pants up.
That's probably the strangest thing I've seen. I think that's
Paul
fun.
Hillebosian.
I think that's fun. I think that's cool. It's strange, but you know, I'm all for it. I think that's awesome.
He's an animal.
What's the strangest thing you've seen since we moved to the new office?
The strangest thing I've seen. Probably the people that are in the mall, especially the hookers. Sorry, but it's the truth.
I just didn't know there were
Hookers in the mall? How did I not find these?
Sorry.
Carol, we gotta start hanging out together. You and I need to start going to lunch or something. Because I'm going to eat at the wrong place.
Strangest thing would be when I'm working on pre-bills and I hear Eric clipping his toenails in the other room. Or fingernails.
Not gross.
It was pretty weird.
Well, you know, most of the people are really sweet and nice around here, but you wouldn't believe some of the nonsense that goes on around here. I am not kidding. The other day, anybody listening? I caught Slovacek, Natalie, Perry, and Trula in the executive lounge, drinking, dancing to music, and carrying on. Walked in, there they were.
Come on, guys. It's Snag Matt's hard cube. What? Check it. Boom.
All right.
Boom.
Awesome. I got the tunes.
Party time. Dance at a hearing. Smile. Shine up. Yeah. Here we go. Shine up. You got it?
Yeah, bring it on. What's up, Helen? Have a beer? We better go, guys. We're gonna get in trouble. Eric will find out about this.
They make their money off of selling themselves, basically.
You really don't want me to say that, do you?
Oh, we do.
Oh, because they made their money on their backs. Please don't put that in. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm just the truth. Just being honest.
I don't think I better answer that question.
We did think about doing Office Olympics, but in the end decided not to.
I know, that's the problem.
Well, first off, he like paused right before he did it. He's like, hold on, let me pause.
Don't you need like a springboard?
No. Did you film that?
Just commit.
Oh, I should not be doing this.
No, you shouldn't.
Maybe I can't do it anymore. So there were a few bumps along the way, but we finally got our act together. Now we're running like a team in perfect harmony.
lifted it way high at the sky, y'all. And then he all get with it, y'all. Hey, y'all, prepare yourself for the rubber band. Man, you never heard a sound. What you say? Oh, whoa. You're bound to lose control when the rubber band starts to jam. A rubber band man. How much of this stuff do we think we can stand? So much rhythm, grace, and debonair from one man? No. And then he had the nerve to twiddle his left toe, but through his knee, got the feeling in his head, y'all. Oh, come on, baby. Won't you find yourself hearing? Never heard a sound. Oh, he's my man, and he likes to jam. Starts to jam. Rubber band man starts to jam. Moving up and down across the land. Got a wiggle all in his waist. Everything about him seems out of place, but moving, just moving, just a rubber band man, just moving, just moving, just a rubber band man, get down. Oh, get down, brother.
It's that time. Christmas time is here.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Santa's on his way. Hip hip hooray for Christmas vacation. Got a ton of stuff to celebrate. Now it's getting closer.
Merry Christmas.
New Year.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.
Just wait and see
Merry
this
Christmas,
Christmas
everyone.
vacation. This old house sure is looking good. Got ourselves the finest snowman in the neighborhood. Ain't it fun? Always on the run. That's how it's done on Christmas vacation. Let's all deck the halls and light the lights.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Christmas. Happy New Year.
We're so glad it's Christmas vacation. And when the nights are peaceful and serene.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, y'all.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Christmas vacation. Christmas vacation.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. You guys are retarded. I did not expect this. You guys are putting it on there, aren't you?
This is the best one yet.
You have to take a quick pause.
You just made the video.
There you go.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Oh, wait a minute. I need to put on my stuff.
Oh.
No, they're all crazy. But no.
Hold on. I want to stop that.
You over.
I hate being on a video.
Do you hear music?
I do. That's weird. Coming from here.
Yeah, sounds like it.
Oh shit! I didn't know y'all were actually starting doing.
Safe alert.
Oh!
All right, let's try it again. Life alert.
Life alert.
Good. Just a
film fucker.
You gotta lob it.
That was a lob. That was it. Hit you in the hand.
Lap dance from, I can't even talk this morning. Jeez Louise. Okay, can we start over?
Oh shit, it's been recorded.
One more time, come on.
You recorded that?
She said, oh shit, what's this shit?
Well, I don't know. That's pretty.
All right, action. That was awesome, man. You.
That was a good one.
That was an outstanding one. Do that one again.
Channing Tatum. Wait, I can't. Yep. Channing Tatum. Okay.
Merry Christmas. I'm gonna hurt you, Eric.
What?
Oh, you gotta let me see it.
Oh, you can see it. Everybody's gonna see it.
I'm Greg Tydelsky, and I barely approve of this video.